Hello everyone. Alrighty. Waffle Flower May release went live a little earlier. I had my very clean and simple cards and bookmarks. Didn't get a chance to use all the other fabulous things. So I thought I'd film a quick release and review video just to show you guys the other stuff that was released, because this is just, as always, just a fun release with some really cute things, and ideas are rolling. So, okay, first off, the Go Girl stamp set, and there's coordinating dies. Totally unique. Already did this video. I'll have it linked at the end, you know, making these. That's what I love about this one though, is it's not like the coordinating dies per se, like they coordinate, but there isn't specific dies for specific things. You can do either or. You could stamp things and just do all this with stamping. But if you have the dies, you can do, you know, all the different die cut hairstyles, the shirt. Like, it's so much fun. Love it. Love the sentiments. This set's obviously like my absolute favorite from this release. I just think it is so much fun. So we got that. And then we've got this cute one. This is from illustrator Kamo. She does like tons of the like characters for Waffle Flower. So I guess they're starting a new series now, and it's going to be like different cities, etc. of the world. So this first one is London, and it's the OYEZ stamp set. So OYEZ, OYEZ, OYEZ. Let's celebrate your birthday. Isn't it cute? From London with love, Happy Meal. It's got all your little characters. Like, I just think this is just adorable. There's just something about Camo's style that I just absolutely love. I think this is cute. Coordinating dies, of course, to cut out all of these images. So there's that one. There's also this really cute one. This is the wedding day one. This is just a little mini set. There's coordinating dies. The one thing though, and because I don't know if I'm going to have time to make this, I'm just going to throw this idea out there. The one thing that I really thought would be super cute was to either use a reverse image stamp or the Waffle Flower media mat, because they've shown it on, like, I'll show the media mat here. The media mat, because it's silicone, you can take a stamp and stamp it and then press the paper onto it and get the reverse image. So just, if you don't know what I'm talking about, look up Waffle Flower's YouTube channel. They've shown how to do that. I wanted to do this, again, I've been so sick and just running out of time. But what I thought would be really cute with this set is to do that with either character. So you could have 2 brides, 2 grooms, customizable. That's what I love. You know, so it would just work for any situation, any couple, anything. So I wanted to share that because I was like, I'm so brilliant. And I just thought it would look so cute if you did have them like facing each other. That would be so adorable. That'd be just the best little card. So it's just a really cute set. And this will go with another thing. I'll show that in a second. Okay, so there's that one. There is the Wild Roses stamp set. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. I really love the detail in these leaves. I like all of the detail, but these leaves are just, I love it. Love it. Because you could like stamp and color these if you wanted, but the leaves, like you could just stamp them in like different shades of green or whatever and not color them at all. And because there's so much detail, they would look really, really nice. So coordinating dies as well for this one. I'll get to that one in a second. The other fun one, this is the Cake Layers die set. I did die cut all of this and I dropped all the pieces. Of course I did. So you guys could see it. It is A2 size. You have the main wafer die. Let's get all these out of the way. That die cuts this. So A2 sized. So this is an A2 piece. So you can just see the whole thing. Immediately it's like, this is the perfect frame. You could totally do a shaker cart. You know, back this with a transparency, pop it with foam tape, fill it with confetti and all that fun stuff. You got yourself an awesome shaker card. So you've got the main part of the die. And it will die cut obviously all of these pieces, which you could color or die cut from other pieces of like color cardstock. And then inlay, so your cake layers, you know, different colors. So there's another little fun little thing. And then there's all these little topper dies. So we have an Always and Forever. This is just, I'm like, this is my kind of cake decorating. I'm a very crappy cake decorator, but this is the kind of thing I can work with. Give me paper and I can rock it out. So you got that one, you have Always and Forever, you have Happy Birthday, and I like that they're all in different styles too. Just, that makes me happy. You have a HBD for Happy Birthday. You know, could do a little more masculine if you wanted. And then there is a Congrats. So that can be for anything. There's a bunch of little icons as well. So you could have congrats. There's a little grad cap. So you could have little grad cap pics. Like, love it. Love it. There's a grad cap. There's a little star. So that can work for anything. There's a little baby onesie. So, you know, you could make it into a baby card. As well as a little baby rattle. You could decorate, you know, with a little rattle. There's a heart. And then there's also a little like grad cap confetti, so you could die cut this like multiple times and, you know, use that in your shaker, little grad caps. And then there's a couple little candle options. There's like a little kind of a ridged like scallop candle, and there's a smooth one. So you got those. And then what's great about this is because of the size of this and the size of like a lot of Camel's characters, you can create little toppers with these guys. Is that not the cutest thing ever? I absolutely love that. So you can have your little, you know, topper. It could be a wedding cake. It can be a birthday, like whoever you want to, you know, plop on top there. I just think that is the cutest thing ever. This die set is so much fun. Like, everything was thought of. So super fun. Love it. Last but not least, we have the Be Him Sentiments set. This set coordinates with the Be Her and Be Him set. You can use any of the characters, obviously. So we've got all the little characters. You got more masculine themed sentiments to go with them. You can also use these just with anything. So, so glad you're my dad. You'll always be the cool dad. Happy Father's Day. You'll always be my daddy. Sorry for all the gray hairs. So that one would go with the little bunny image. Gray hairs, you know. So, fist bump. So yeah. I think these are just great little sentiments. So I will link to these along with everything else. That is the May 2019 release in a nutshell. As always, I will have links to everything in the description box below the video. I will have a link to the cards I just posted at the end of this one. All that info. So you can check that out in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing and thumbs upping and commenting. I really appreciate it. And I will see you all very soon in the next video. Bye.